Whiteboard Animation Part 3B. Let's add some fancy features to the animation that we just drew or traced. Now it'll be difficult to autofill with color because it's not an actual shape like we did in previous animations. We could hand draw in the color, but that can get tedious. But what we can do is pretend that we colored it in. I've gone to Google Images and I found some basketball clip art. And I'm going to grab one that looks sort of 2D. And let's just make sure it's about the same size. We can change the size. We want it to fit the one we've already drawn. Now let's add animation. And let's say we want this to come in random bars. And actually I made a mistake and I put it above this one. I'm going to grab it and then drag it down. I want it to be the last thing. And then I'll change it to after previous. And we can try the duration of 50. I'm going to scroll back up to the top. And let's play the whole thing from the beginning and see what it looks like. So first we have the etchings. And then there's the color fill. And actually that could go a little bit slower. We can make it about 0.75. Now what if we wanted to give the illusion that this turned into a real basketball? I'm going to go back to Google Images, and instead of clip art, we're going to find a photo of a basketball. And let's drag this on top, and let's resize it till it fills in our original pictures. I'm just grabbing the fill handles and I'm dragging up or down or across just to stretch it out. And I want this to go on the very end. And I'll click Add Animation. And let's do a fade. And right now the duration is at 50. Let's do a slow fade, maybe 1.5. And maybe a short delay before it starts fading. Maybe a 25-second delay. And we want it to go after previous, after everything else. And here it is at the bottom, picture 8. So let's play this again. Well, actually I want to start at the very top. And I'll hit play. And there's your effect. We could slow down the animation just a little bit more to give it more of a morphing effect. Stay tuned for more on whiteboard animations.